Hope you all are doing great. So if you watched my last video, you noticed that I talked about this candle, this particular candle here, this red candle down here. Hope you guys are seeing the candle that I'm pointing out. This one, this red candle at the middle of these two big candles. So these are the red candle I'm talking about. So whenever you spot that candle, it normally serves as a zone. So in this scenario now, it serves as a demand zone. So as you can see, I'm in a trade. But why did I enter this trade? So first of all, I got my 15 minutes time frame, and this is volatility 10 index. So I saw that the market was making higher highs and higher lows to the upside, right? So I saw this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low going to the upside. So immediately the market made this high. So on its way to give this high, we got a rally based rally. So if you watched my previous video, you should know where I talked about this rally based rally. So rally based rally means that the market made a move to the upside, then formed a base. The base now is this red candle that I pointed at. Then again another rally. By rally I mean a move to the upside. A clean move to the upside is usually big. Like if you take a look now, you see that this candle is not of the same size with other candles. So we got a rally based rally here. So when I spotted this trade, the market was just about this point. So I immediately spotted the candle and then brought out my tool. So maybe I will show you how I did that. So immediately I brought up this box so as to draw my order block. That now this order block serves as a demand zone. So the market was around here. So I waited for it to tap into this order block so that I can take my buy. So, but that is not the only reason I entered. So if I can just change this screen now, or this chart, to a line chart. So now, if you take a look at this now, look at the order block. So this is demand zone. So I waited for the market to come and tap into this place. But if you look, you notice that the market somehow passed the order block with some candle. There was a breakout. So in order to not every time that the market will be precise. So, but sometimes it will just tap into the order block and then turn back. But this time around, there was a support and resistance zone here. So if you take a look at this now, why I change this to a line chart is so that you can see it very clear. So take a look at this now. You see, all these points are resistance points. Then after the market broke to the upside, it came back down and test the place again. So with this black line that I just put here now, you see that the market has tested this place like a couple of times. One as a support, as a resistance. Then after it broke to the upside, it came back again to test it as a support. So coupled with this other base block. So let me change it back to the candle so that you understand. So now, since I've gotten my resistance and support line, coupled with this base block, that's a rally based rally. the candle. So I waited for the market to tap back into the zone and as well as the support area. Then I took my buy. So guys, this is not something all you have to do is to just train your eyes to spot these things. I will be making more videos to explain this thing. But whenever you spot this candle, it's not so this in this scenario now we have a rally based rally. If it were to be in the other position, I mean the other way around, it will be a drop based drop. Drop based drop. But now, since it's going up, it's called rally based rally. And this red candle here is sometimes it won't be one. Sometimes you have like 2 or 3 candles that will give you the base, then before then rally upside. So if you have more than 1 candle, the 1 candle is the best. Like in this scenario now we have 1 candle. So as you can see, the zone held. But if it were to be like 2 or more base candles, like you have 2 or 3 red candles between the rally base rally, then it won't be as strong as this, as when you have a 1 candle as the base. So the smaller the candle, the better. So but if you can once you spot the base candles and mark it as your support zone or your demand zone. So like in this case now, immediately I spotted it, I took out my tool and drew the box, waiting for the market to tap inside. So you can also go ahead and check if there is a support and resistance zone there, so as to add up, so as to take a trade without fear. So now I had 2 confluences here, 2 confluences, the order block and this support area that this previous resistance that turns to support now. So these are the 2 reasons why I entered the trade. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel.